Guangzhou Bodo Auto Accessories Company Limited is a distinguished supplier of pickup truck bed covers based in Guangzhou, China. Our associated factory is conveniently situated in Foshan, in close proximity to Guangzhou. With over a decade of experience in the production and development of auto parts, along with dedicated engineering support and an efficient sales team, we are committed to delivering excellence. At present, our manufacturing capacity is more than sufficient to produce a wide range of pickup truck covers, including retractable toe covers, hard canopies, hard trifold covers, soft roll-up covers, and more. Over the course of several years, our technology has made significant advancements, leading us to continuously expand and enrich product lines, developed our specialized product lines for models like F-150, Dodge Ram and Chevrolet Silverado. We support OEM, ODM projects. As a global supplier, we not only maintain stringent quality control standards, but also strive to offer the highest level of service at competitive prices. In addition, our products also have passed the CE testing. This commitment has enabled our own brand, ST Sportec, to establish a customer base spanning over 50 countries and regions, including North America, South America, Europe, Australia, East Asia, Southeast Asia, and Russia. Our vision is to become the most dependable supplier of auto accessories for every customers we serve. We eagerly anticipate further opportunities for collaboration in the future.